Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Teams with the error code CAA70004 in Windows 10 computer. So the Microsoft Teams with the error code CAA70004 generally indicates an issue with authentications or the network connections. So this error often prevents user from signing in or accessing the applications properly. It's a generic error that can be caused by various factors, including network issues, outdated software, corrupted data, system settings, and login credentials. Then you can try this several troubleshooting steps to resolve this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the compatibility troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and then here you need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And once you open up here at troubleshoot settings, on right side, and then you need now to tap this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then here at additional troubleshooters, here at left side navigation panel, and then you need to scroll down. Underneath here at find and fix other problems, then you need to scroll down again and select this program compatibility troubleshooters and then click. And then you need to click or tap this run the troubleshooters and then click. And then wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. So next step, select the program you are having problems with. So here now we need to find and locate this Microsoft Teams. So we need to scroll down and find and locate that. So once you find already this Microsoft Teams, all you have to do is to select, and then you need to click this next to proceed and follow the prompt instructions to fix this error. Alright, so you need to select the Microsoft Teams here, then you need to tap or click this next to proceed. So after here, and then we need to close. If the error is still persists, and the next solution that we're going to do is to repair and reset the Microsoft Teams. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu, and then here you need to type this Microsoft Teams, and then you need to right click and select this app settings. And then once you open up here at Microsoft Teams settings, here at left side navigation panel, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to select this reset. Then next step, if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. The next step, then you need to tap or click this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And after that, if this app isn't working right, then the time we need to reset. So all you have to do is to tap again this reset, and then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Then you need to click this reset and wait to complete the reset process. And then after here at reset, here at Microsoft Teams, then we need to close. And the next step that we're going to do is to restart the Microsoft Teams app. So all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar and then select Task Manager. And once you open up here at Task Manager, here at Processes tab, then you need now to select this Microsoft Teams. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. And then you need now to click or tap this End Task. And then after that, then we need to close. And then here at the power button at left side corner, then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.